We've been practicing deleting a syllable from a compound word and listening for the word part left over. Now it's your turn to do it on your own. I'll say the word, I'll tell you which word not to say, and then I want you to tell me which word is left over. The first word is jigsaw. Say jigsaw, but don't say jig. Saw. Say sandwich. Now say sandwich, but don't say which. Sand. Say tightrope. Say tightrope, but don't say tight. Rope. Say doorway. Say doorway, but don't say way. Door. Say softball. Now say softball, but don't say soft. Ball. Say forehead. Now say forehead, but don't say head. Four. Say passport. Now say passport, but don't say pass. Port. Say homeland. Now say homeland, but don't say land. Home. Say indoors. Now say indoors, but don't say in. Doors. Say hilltop. Now say hilltop, but don't say top. Hill. Very good. You're going so much faster.